Hey guys, somebody asked, so I thought I would make a little video showing some of the work we made in computer science class. This is the first year I've had computer science, and we started off with some simple text-based programs, and then in quarter two we made Pong, just a little rectangle and a little square going boop, boop, boop across the screen in black and white. But then in the second semester we split off and had different people take these things in different directions. Here's one we did kind of together in class, contributing different parts. And it's Space Invaders. Oh, I got it right at the beginning. At the first part, we did little objects that were just rectangles and squares, and then we made some hand-drawn enemies in our little ship and imported those and messed with it. This is pretty legit code we had to make. It's not a kid's version of doing everything for you. You have to code the objects, load in the files, determine how they move, how they get printed on the screen, and how it determines when they collide with each other, and so on. Here's one that another student made, and it's a platformer game where you have your little guy has to jump from one thing to another. If you land on these blue spots, they're little springs, and you bounce up. If you fall off, you die. You start back. And this has a good amount of physics involved with the acceleration and velocity, gravity, moving you around. It took a good amount of work. Here's one that's a Breakout game. You've got your little paddle, kind of like the Pong, and then you can hit these bricks, and oh, I'm too slow. But if you hit them all, it says you win, and you get the nice little background there too. I should have slowed it down before the test run, I think. Maybe I'm old. So another one, we got this little ninja game that I was actually working on with a student just a few days ago, and you've got your little enemy, and they look pretty good. He made these little sprites, and then you can punch. This is something that we can improve on next year, maybe make some real cool stuff. I'll find a way to put these in a package that we can send out and have people mess with on their own without looking at all the code and everything as well. Thanks.